How to add debit or credit cards to your Apple Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to easily set up your debit or credit cards to Apple Wallet, here is what should be done. First and foremost, unlock your iPhone and open the wallet application. Then after, tap on the plus icon which is on the top right. This way, it will either open or add a new card option, or you would get a message saying to add cards, you need to go to the buttons on the website. So if you see this option, you will have to open the specific website or the application that you are using Apple Wallet for. The process is simple. For this, you just have to get in your details of debit or credit card and change the payment methods in the certain application or website. In order to do so, let's go to the application or website that you want to use Apple Wallet for. Then after, tap on the profile which is on the top right corner and go to account settings. Once in account settings, this will ask you for your Face ID. Then go to manage payments and then you will see the option of add a debit or credit card. Add the wallet details and tap on done, and this is how you can add debit or credit card. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.